Alright, so we're at the place. It's a winery. Adelaide Winery. And I did a quote on some cleaning for them, I don't know, probably about a month ago. Alright guys, so mixed up my solution for the upholstery. Going to be using this product, Carpet Details. I'm going to be using this little hand spray right here for pre-spraying the upholstery, sectionals, and dining chairs mainly. And we are going to be doing some viscose rugs. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. Now, this is a rayon rug shampoo that I actually called the company up, Chemex, and talked to the owner and just asked them recommendations for certain type of solutions for certain type of rugs. So I often run into rayon rugs, Viscose rugs. It's basically paper, pretty much. It really absorbs water, and browning, wicking is highly likely when cleaning, unless you're doing the right process. So this is specially made shampoo here for rayon, Viscose type of materials. And I'm going to mix this up. But on top of that, I'm not going to be doing hot water extraction. I'm going to be using my 175 to clean these rugs. So low moisture. So this is also what he recommends if you're going to be doing on-site cleaning, just to be safe. So proper cleaning shampoo and low moisture makes for no callbacks. Now, I know there's a lot of guys out there that will walk away from these, and a lot of guys out there that have cleaned these and ran into the problem of getting a callback and say, my rugs look dirty now, and you know, was it cleaned with dirty water? You know, I mean, kind of what it looks like. There are ways to clean that or to fix that problem, and I have fixed that problem, but I no longer do that because I'm using the proper cleaning solutions. A lot of times it's really hard to tell what type of material it is, especially if it doesn't have a tag or anything like that, but there are little things you can do to spot whether it is that type of viscose rug. Okay, so we'll see you at the job. Alright, so we're at the place. It's a winery, Adelaide Winery. And I did a quote on some cleaning for them, I don't know, probably about a month ago. And they finally called me back. So we're doing all these couches, all these chairs. We're not touching these. And we're cleaning these two rugs. So we're doing a really good thorough vacuum on these things. They've never been cleaned, and you can tell they're really dirty. So I didn't give them any guarantees. I said we'll clean them with the way we can clean them, and you know, pretty much is what it is, however they turned out. So he was fine with it. They just want to try to get them clean, not because they got to get some new rugs. But as far as these are white. With white sectionals, you have to be really even with your cleaning. So even moisture with your cleaning solutions, and even even strokes with your upholstery you're on, because any wet spot could dry up looking like a dirty spot, a wicking spot. So I definitely charge extra for white upholstery. On these, I'm charging, there's two sectionals here, so $300 a piece for these. And I'll put the ticket up at the end of the video on total cost to get these things looking good again. Better than buying some new ones, right? Alright, stay tuned. Oh, this is all VLM stuff right here. Cotton bonnets, got some microfiber there, and those are Iron Man bonnets, by the way. And actually, one of them is actually not. It's just a cotton bonnet that I got from. I forget the name of it. Procyon sells those bonnets. So I got what I eat. I mean, it's not going to take all that to clean these rugs, but I'm just overkill on doing dry patches and stuff like that. So now stay tuned. As you can tell, we got some stain here. This is a winery, so I'm surprised this isn't worse than it really is. Okay, so we put floor covering here around so we don't get any overspray on the rugs. Normally it wouldn't be a problem because we're going to clean them anyway, but they're viscose, so you can't get them wet. So overspray, I'm not doing that. Also, I did mention to tell you how you can tell if a rug is viscose. If you brush it one way and it's dark lighter, another way it's darker. That is a way to figure it out. If they don't have tags, these do have tags. So, all right, so we pre-sprayed this. She scrubbed already. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the machine and clean this one. Move it away and replace it with another. It's wine. All right, so upholstery's done. Looks great, still wet. It's gonna brighten up a lot once it dries. But customer came over and was like shocked. Well, I made sure to call him over and check out the contrast, and he was like, wow, can I get a picture of this? So I did do another quote on about $5,000 worth of tile on the same building here. And they wanted to see how I do on this job before they hire me to do the tile. And so I invited the customer over to see the results in action, and I'm sure they're going to be really happy with our work, and we'll be back. So right now we're just putting everything away. I'm gonna get ready and do the VLM on these rugs, and then we'll be out. Okay, so already vacuumed. Nice even pre-spray. A little heavier in the soiled areas. All right, that's it. I'm gonna do some raking here. Yeah, they're not amazing. Actually, that carpet definitely needs to be replaced. This one's not as bad. So went over it with a dry pad, and we get some fans on this and hope for the best. If not, they're not worried about it. They'll just have to get some new ones. All right, that's it for this one, guys. See you in the next one.
Think I finally found a better way. 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 Think I finally found a better way.